After having dinner at a restaurant on the way towards Raipur, I am returning back on my bicycle. Lot of construction is going on, and private companies are digging soil for elevating large structures. Due to which dust is scattered everywhere. That's why I didn't broadcast it. Upward journey. All the fast food restaurants used to cook fried chicken in oil, which they don't change for several weeks, due to which there is a possibility of infection in the larynx and voice box. That's why I used to visit proper restaurants to follow hygienic practices, at least in the form of transparent cooking area, where one can see the process. On the other hand, those who have already kept the recipes ready to serve don't have any authentication of the purity and ingredients. After reaching Barwala town, I will take a right direction path. If sunlight would have been there, it would have been a greater possibility to show the highland mountainous areas. But after buying this action camera, I didn't visit this place for the once. That's why the beautiful natural scenarios are missed forever. Otherwise, when illegal construction was not going on about 10 years ago, I used to think that one day this place will definitely turn out to be a tourist place of international concern, taking into consideration of the nearby Shivalik range. But now, when permissions are being granted to each and every illegal construction activity, there is no sense. And the process of broadcasting while riding bicycle is so much monotonous and a kind of regular schedule, like posting screenshots of the map track or anything similar to checking everywhere. It has been written that it is a wildlife crossing zone, beware. but it is senseless to think about the possibility of those endangered species who might have become extinct by now. And shameless cockroaches belonging to Moscow demolition group, which can't be authenticated as a political party till extinction of Earth One, used to applaud these kind of achievements by erecting large glow signs and boards everywhere. I requested that restaurant owner to provide minimum quantity of chicken curry with 2 chapatis. And so I have to ride bicycle and I don't fill my stomach to the brink and avoid excess food. But these kind of experiments in terms of riding bicycle towards any place will be continued, because even after spending 15 years in this city, I am still not familiar about the small villages and towns existing all around. Sometimes I don't even know the names of the tehsils, districts, villages, but I have to rely on Google Maps, which was showing 21 kilometers when I started the journey. I have already calculated my average speed of bicycle during past experiences of riding, which came out to be 14 to 15 kilometers only per hour. That's why I didn't visited the Patiala Gurdwara a day before yesterday, and yesterday itself, where when they celebrated Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji's birthday, because I was not confident about the condition of bicycle. Moreover, riding bicycle for more than 80 or 75 kilometers need continuous practice, and I have to leave early in the morning. I was not able to wake up at 4:30 a.m. and I tried my best in past 4 days. You can see there is a lot of darkness. I will start my broadcasting only after reaching highway. The conditions of roads are extremely poor, and it has been kept intentionally so that all the passers-by and tourists going towards Rishikesh, Kalamb, Renuka Lake should start believing that the existing highway, which is about to come about 1 kilometer from now, was not there a few years ago, and these places had to undergo a lot of tedious process of hard work and they spent millions of rupees in developing these bridges and 4 lanes, and it will become a prevalent conversation topic amongst these illiterate Indians who will start believing in the fake information, and they will say, okay, we are ready to save toll at that cost. Whereas on the other hand, the toll was not existing, but the bridges and roads were existing 10 years ago also. They might have dug those roads intentionally through private construction companies and illegal mining contractors. Sometimes excess mountains are built by excessively digging down, and these illiterate laborers get stuck in that mines also. These flashes are just engaged in spreading mass hysteria against Muslims and surnames. By promoting a flesh cockroach who believe in illegal dog breeding. Flyover around that. Few restaurants are existing on this national highway. But when I have to save time, I don't halt at these places. Wherever there is no space, keep bicycle safe in a line of sight surveillance. And it looks absurd when I will lock my bicycle with any pole or chain it in front of lavish restaurants. On the other hand, when I will halt at roadside restaurants, there is no hesitation when parking my bicycle. That is also an important aspect. After reaching Morning Hills crossing, I will end my broadcast, because from there I have broadcasted several times. And all the conversations look so familiar, and you will think that I am repeating the same information again and again. But believe in your eyes, not in my words. When there is no place left And you are already aware whenever bloggers are running away from their cities in search of peace and open land, they used to broadcast traffic area only and end up promoting themselves by spicy titles and deceiving descriptions, which you become accustomed of appreciation. But I am not fond of these kind of tricky habits. Ramgarh is 5 kilometers from here. And I have to travel another 4 or 2.5 kilometers or more to bypass. Hope I will reach home by 9 p.m. It is 7:54 p.m. 25 minutes of riding has been completed towards the return journey. The altitude is 282 meters and my average speed is 17.5 kilometers per hour. The present speed is 16 kilometers per hour. I have reached A1 Dhaba. Forest is being burned by flesh team of research and development who have bought ballistic missiles from China and Russia. And on the name of Ukraine crisis, they are burning those missiles there after embossing Loin logo as instructed by cockroaches and insects. And they have pasted information on walls that we have acquired CCTVs from China, so there is no need to trespass. No person needs to trespass these walls, which are only 4 feet above the highway. It seems that they are buried deep inside the earth. When the road construction keeps on for several decades. Even the training centers were developed during 1962, but they have mentioned it as a startup engine kind of device by spreading a mass hysteria of numerology, sometimes 50 years, 60 years, and spreading hatred against different religions. And now they are spoiling the atmosphere by burning the weapons. And sometimes they used to shut down electricity in parallelism with Mariupol, Kyiv attacks by Russia in Ukraine, so that innocent voters will start believing that due to international circumstances we are performing fake drills and demonstrations or practicing. If there is need of national crisis, we are already prepared for the war also, because Putin is a very dangerous person and he has killed millions of people in Ukraine. So we are preparing for that, and Imran Khan is performing more and more gatherings, so people from Pakistan can attack any time. So we have to prepare for these kind of circumstances. Some people were asking for the way towards a village. As I was telling you, the extent of downgraded nature of these people, who will try to manipulate your mind in any way. If there would have been a danger of world war, then by now you might have witnessed missiles and weapons on each and every country throughout the world, not only Ukraine. But the danger of conflict between these two countries are existing from 2014, and I have quoted the information several times. I know that people will not watch my broadcast, but at least I am satisfied that I used to post 2 times a week. I am about to reach Fun City, Water Park and Ramgarh Fort, which is about 10.5 kilometers from my house. I have covered a half journey from that restaurant. I have to increase the pace due to the flyover. Wait for a few minutes. The next bridge will be located near the Fort itself. I will post 2 pictures where I didn't got food and 2 pictures where I consumed in my Facebook after reaching home. Then I will post the present video and plan the next ride as early as possible, taking the risk of the flywheel of this Chinese bicycle, which these Indians are not ready to repair it correctly. and intentionally provided a malfunctioning hub by charging 2,500 rupees also. And the other bicycle repair shop manager told me you should post a live video in front of that bicycle repair shop. But I don't believe in this kind of negative promotion, because after all they will earn magnitude through negative promotion also. And I am not blaming anyone also, because ultimately they will gain in today's upside down world. I did visited that showroom again, and the mechanic acknowledged that he has wrongly provided hub, due to which the flywheel will also get damaged too early. Moreover, I have already sold drone. These products are meant for reviews and getting success in vlogging business, which I don't think I will ever manage to do in my lifespan. That's why in frustration I expose the willingness to join YouTube was not financial gain. Now you can see the Ramgarh Fort on the right side of my bicycle. It is too clear and bright. The roads under the flyovers have become too congested. Which is also a kind of fictitious achievement. And these people are like herds and mice in laboratories of rich and prosperous cockroaches belong to Moscow Demolition Group. Payment applications are being utilized to exploit them. On the one hand, they are forced to believe that technology was inevitable and no one possessed any alternative. On the other hand, they are not provided any facility for long-term savings for their children because of insecurities and crime. They are provided a fake belief that automatic artificial intelligence is always ready and helpful. There is no need to worry about the education and families of your siblings, which is placed at stake under the hands of cruel, manipulated cockroach rulers. I don't think I will ever be able to ride for longer distance on this bicycle again, because the flywheel is moving in an absurd and zigzag manner due to non-aligned and spurious quality hub, which was replaced 1.5 months ago. I have the existing Chinese brand hub available in my house, but I don't think it can be reinstalled and this bicycle will work efficiently again. If I am able to ride it till Delhi and get it repaired from Jhandewala, or place it in the car folded on the back seat, then it may be possible that I can get it repaired properly, but I don't think I will put myself into that condition of so much hassles and drive car just for this sake. I am about to reach Kasoli or Morni Hills bypass road, so I am ending this broadcast because it is too dark and you are not able to see anything. Except few cows and monkeys which will be there in about 100 meters. Let's see. But there are too many monkeys. Then I have to increase the speed of the cycle also. So wait for another 2 minutes. These small stretches of mountains have become too much polluted and filled with garbage everywhere, because people used to scatter the waste products. 5.2 kilometers. So it's 8:32 p.m. and 5 kilometers of journey is still left, and I have ridden bicycle for 36 kilometers by now. And the complete tour will be about 42 kilometers. We should definitely be completed by 9 p.m. because I will manage to ride 5 kilometers. Since the last stretch of journey, we have reached Morni Hills crossing. I am ending this broadcast.